Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. 2006 Ford Fusion, replacing the inside door handle, which is broken. Got a little Torx bit, goes in here, under a cover. You see how the cover sits like that. Just pull the door handle open to get it out. Then you can unplug this. Push on the little tab to release it. Down here there's a 7mm screw. Mine's kind of been bunged up. Something happened here. That's how it looks. This kind of just lifts out. It's got a little finger in the front. So be aware of that. And then you can unplug these. Just push the tabs to release on them. And we'll get these out. Alright, so I'm not sure how much you saw there, but there's a screw also to take out. Then we holes for the push pins for the friction fit along here. Screw, and there's a screw in here on the side. So this is off now. There's a screw right there. And then these two bits in the end just fit in the door handle, it looks like. Right here. And those are friction fit pins, guide pin. Got a pin missing or fell out. The screw in the bottom. More friction fit pins. Another guide pin. Another push pin, maybe one or two are gone. I think one was on the floor. So we can slide our new piece on here. Alright. So about slapping this back together. kind of eye here where they got the big white alignment pin back here, and then push all the pins back into place here. We'll just push firmly and it should snap into place. Just push all the pins back into place. And test it. All right, it works. Like that. We'll drop this in here, put our screw down here, put our screw in there, and as replacing your inner door handle on your 2006 Ford Fusion. Not too bad.